What's the meaning of carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that is toxic to humans and animals. It is formed when carbon-based fuels such as gasoline, coal, or wood are burned in a poorly ventilated space. When inhaled, it binds to hemoglobin in the blood and prevents the transfer of oxygen, leading to tissue damage and potentially death. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include headache, dizziness, nausea, and confusion. It is important to have working carbon monoxide detectors in homes and other buildings where fuel is burned to prevent accidental exposure.